friends, it's Brennan Kimono. So I went back to Walgreens today. I can't stay out of that store. And then Meijer, a lot of their hand sanitizer, liquid hand soap, that sort of stuff all hit 90%. So we're going to talk about that in a quick second. Weather report for you guys. It is like 90 degrees outside. It is a steam bath. It is not very pleasant. So if you're in the same sort of weather elements, I hope you're staying cool. And hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's doing great. Okay, first store we're going to talk about is Walgreens. Now, you guys know I made a video yesterday where digital coupons were not coming off because of register rewards. However, those coupons never came off for me, specifically with this guy. And this is a deal just far too good to pass up, so I did it one more time and the coupon did come off. So the Irish Spring is $3.99. We have a very unique and special $3.50 digital, so it dropped it down to 49 cents. I'll pay that all day, every day for Irish Spring. Deal that we have is with the Colgate Optic White, and I didn't do this deal yet this week, so I finally did it. These are $3.99, so for two of them that's $7.98. We have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon, so you'll pay $3.98 out of pocket, get back $4 in Walgreens cash, making it completely for free. Now, if you have some Walgreens cash on your store card and you want to roll it for this deal, which means using it, you can spend it to earn it. That is no problem, no issue with this little deal. Okay, so the complete home trash bags are $5.99 this week, and I kind of got carried away and bought 3 massive boxes of them. $5.99 for this many trash bags. That is a gift. So for 3 of them, that's $17.97. I used both a $10 register reward from the Tide deal I did and a $5 store coupon that I had. So $2.97 is the balance. I used $3 in Walgreens cash, and I basically paid the balance of the tax. Now, I absolutely hate buying trash bags, and I also hate buying cat litter. So those are 2 items I do not enjoy spending money for. So whenever I can try and figure out some sort of coupon deal to go with, so I do not have to pay for these for my household, it always makes me really happy. But what a great little deal. And the Walgreens cash that I used to pay this down was from the Colgate, so it just worked out perfectly. I did it in 2 transactions, and the operative thing is to pay the least out of pocket. 150 trash bags. This is trash bags for a very long time, so I'm very happy with these. And these ones have the little handles. I thought I would gift them to my mom. She really enjoys tying things and doing some sort of sailor's knot, so I thought this would be totally up her alley. So that's a lot of trash bags for her. Hey guys, so over at Meijer, which is a grocery store here in the Midwest, a lot of the hand sanitizer for both adults and children, along with the different hand soaps, face masks, all the stuff to keep you safe, all 90% off. So this isn't in the regular soap aisle, although in your store it might be in the soap aisle. Where I found this was they have just a big shelf near automotive with all this stuff. And it's not every soap, because some of the Method stuff was full price, like the more expensive stuff. But for whatever reason, soft soap, all of this hit 90, and then lots of the hand sanitizer also 90. I'll send you guys a quick photo here in a second after I show you these. So these original price point was $3.49. So this one is a liquid hand soap, which is the gel. And if you like foaming hand soap, you can still make it with this. I made a video a couple years ago on how to use this liquid to make a foaming hand soap. My mother really likes the lemon scent and foaming hand soap, so this is totally up her alley. You can just pour it. I'm pretty sure you could even use this to wash dishes, because it's probably the same properties as dish soap. It might be different. I mean, you'd have to look at a Palmolive and compare ingredient to ingredient, but It looks very identical, and just the container too. So anyhow, $3.49, 90% off, down to 34 cents. I grabbed 21. They still had an entire shelf of it, so I didn't clear the store, but I thought I would give my mom half and then keep the other half. And I like anything with the lemon scent as well. I also love Bath and Body Works, so I'm not sure, maybe I'll gift some of these in the future or something like that. But I'm gonna show you guys a couple screenshots that I took today over at Meijer, because there was a good amount of stuff and a lot of hand sanitizer, a quarter each. Okay guys, and just to show you the soft soap, which is a name brand. I mean, this isn't some weird type of soap. I mean, this is a really nice one. 34 cents. Like, oh my gosh, what a great price point. And it's a good amount here. Also, it's not just like, you know, the itty bitty ones. And here is the UPC if you want to look for the exact one. At the very least, try and find this in the store. It might not be in the regular aisle. You might have to look around near automotive or some weird end cap. But, you know, they have this usually near where they have like the dairy stuff. They have just like a whole bunch of it, and they're like, hey, blah blah blah, come and get your stuff to stay safe. And like all these hand sanitizers, 25 cents, and they had larger ones too that were also ringing up a quarter. This one I would pass on. 50 cents for these soft soaps. Nope. I mean, if it was 5 cents maybe, but man, that's a bit much. And these are small enough that they're not qualifying with Ibotta, so a bit too rich for this girl. Obviously the larger ones, more bang for your buck with that one. Here's that kids brand. It's called Cool Crazy Cleans with a Z. Everything is 25 cents. So if, you know, just to make it a little funner for your kids or grandkids, yeah, this is a stock up price. And then also different adult hand sanitizers, quarter each. But if you look, Germex is still full price. That stuff will never go on clearance because they still need it for their stock. But all these other alternative brands, they're trying to get rid of all of it. So I would not go too crazy with this. Get whatever you want, because there's always a shelf life of like a year or 2 years for hand sanitizer. So just be mindful of that. So if you're going to go and get like 600 of them, they might expire in 2 years. Hand soap is a little different, but with this, it does have a really quick shelf life. Okay, so over at the Home Depot, it is the same story where hand sanitizer and this sort of stuff is really dirt cheap right now. And again, I can't stress it enough. I know there's a compulsion to get like, you know, 100 of each, but I wouldn't get more than 10 per household. And that's why I specifically, even with that hand soap, I got 20. And I know it's going to get used or given to extended members of the family, but 20 is a good number. They have these wipes too. Everything to do with like hand sanitizing, all these stores got an overabundance of it. And I think when the pandemic is over, we're going to see a lot of like extra toilet paper deals and this stuff. Who knows? Maybe they'll just give it away to everybody. Wouldn't that be nice? But some of this, you know, they were making money hand over fist, especially for hand sanitizer in March of 2020. And then this gel too. So there's a whole bunch of stuff. So either Meijer, Home Depot, maybe even Lowe's, just look around, whatever you're looking for. Even this thing to take temperatures from $40 down to $9.96. Every household probably needs one of those. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.